Hi there, and welcome to another Mojo Moment. We're going to use your imagination to deposit some GCSE chemistry content on greenhouse gases and human impact in your long-term memory. So listen carefully and let your imagination fly like the wind. Right, let's get cracking. Congratulations on the purchase of your brand new greenhouse, the Earth 1.0 model. This greenhouse has had one careful owner until this point and has successfully been used by this owner to maintain the high temperature required in the greenhouse to support life of all sorts. This manual accompanies the ownership of the greenhouse and provides hints and tips as to how you can maintain the fine atmospheric balance in your greenhouse for the long-term benefit of all. What is the Earth 1.0 greenhouse made of? Your Earth 1.0 greenhouse is made using the oldest design on the planet. Unlike modern glass greenhouses, the Earth 1.0 greenhouse relies on a sophisticated gas model. Actually, that's just marketing speak. It's actually made of farts and bad breath. Farts are methane, bad breath is water vapour and carbon dioxide. What not to do, number 1. Burning things in your greenhouse. Fire is rarely a good thing inside, and this is true for your Earth 1.0 too. The carbon dioxide created is bad news. What not to do, number 2. Filling your greenhouse with methane. Farting in enclosed spaces, or creating methane to be more polite, is always a bad idea. But you may not know that cows, human waste, rice fields and swamps are responsible for a lot of farting too. Actually, if you've seen the start of Shrek, you may not be surprised about farts in swamps. What not to do, number 3. Cutting down and clearing all the plants from your greenhouse. As the point of a greenhouse is to grow things, you will be surprised to hear that many owners may be tempted to cut down and remove lots of things that are growing. Deforestation, they call it. Daft, I call it. It reduces carbon dioxide absorption. Signs that things may be going wrong. You'll know that things are going off track if you notice the air getting hotter, the water, or more specifically the sea, getting hotter. If you do not take corrective action in time, you'll find that your normally pleasant and well-controlled greenhouse environment will become plagued by 1. Changes to water in your greenhouse. Too much water falls. Not enough water falls. It all falls too quickly. Your water storage levels rise to the point of flooding. You get the idea. Extreme weather is what comes to mind. Number 2. Changes to the plants and animals that can survive in your greenhouse. It's always worrying when lots of things just get up and leave, or worse still, just die. And 3. The warmer water, or warmer oceans, will not be able to absorb as much carbon dioxide. More carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, more greenhouse effect, more temperature rise. It's a vicious circle. Why do some people make these seemingly ridiculous mistakes? The truth is that no one completely understands it. So, inevitably, different people will come up with different versions of what is right. Why does my Earth 1.0 come with a carbon footprint tool included? Your carbon footprint is a simple but effective tool. It measures the total greenhouse gas changes in anything that you do, from start to finish. You can purchase additional small, and sadly almost impossible to use, adjustments that you can make to your carbon footprint tool. One adjustment is called less, which has 2 settings, emissions and beef, which is responsible for a lot of emissions, if you know what I mean. The other adjustment is called more, which has 3 settings, tax, carbon capture and biofuels. Sadly, all these optional extras will have limited effect, as they are costly and lots of people choose not to use them. And that's it. How to look after your greenhouse. Seriously, this is probably the most important manual ever written, if only more people bothered to read it. The notes on screen are also available for you on the site, Please make sure you practice your recall immediately with the worksheets and quizzes on the site too. We will email you when it's time to review this video, but in the meantime, thanks for using your imagination.